I'm making films because it's the only place in earth that you can be a dictator and it's legal. You will have to ask my actors. Just told them one day before I was in a nervous breakdown, and I told them, listen, you can go out from the set, but in the set I'm the dictator. What I'm saying is what we are doing, and our Bible is the script. What is written in the script is written in the script. We don't do anything else. I didn't understand very well what is an actor until a week ago. I had an opportunity to work with the best actress in Israel, in my opinion. Her name is Keren Mor. And in one scene that I wrote 3 years ago, she did it so good that I started to cry on set. I started to cry. This moment was worth everything, all the suffering that we had gone through to make this film.